Hey, ain't we been through it all? Then we sleep on them floors. Everybody we thought we needed, we don't need them no more. Run it up, don't check the score. No, I'm balling on
Revis Island has entered the cut streets. Now, I don't think we've gotten any other content today besides Revis. I think rewinds come tomorrow. Or did we get rewinds today? I think rewinds come tomorrow, right? Or do rewinds come Saturday? Man, it's going so crazy. I don't even know anymore, if I'm being completely honest. But we got Revis Island here. We got a couple of step-up packs or whatnot, so we're going to get into it. We are going to get into it and see if we can cook. I don't think I have an opportunity pack or anything. These Nightmare B&D packs, chat. I don't know. Because the only thing we would really want to pull is Jackson Dart. And we already got him as a quarterback over here. Let me just take a quick look at what Nightmares we can pull in terms of 94s. Because Jackson Dart is the only one we would pull, and we already got him. So, if we're looking at Nightmares, I'm pretty sure there's not any other 94s we can pull. Holiday, don't really care for. I already got, well, we don't have Casey. We have Hubbard. I guess we can get Taylor. So it's only Holiday, Casey, and Gabriel Taylor we can really pull that will make a huge difference on the team. All right, let's go into the store rush. Genuinely don't want to open this, but I have to. For 33K, I feel like we got to move. I feel like we got to move for 33K. Maybe we get some training. That's a big animation, though. Pretty sure I already have Jacob Gardner over here, which is unfortunate. Damn. But we got training, I guess. We got training. Let me see. I just want to confirm I do have Jacob Gardner over here. Because I get confused between the teams. Yes, we already have Jacob Gardner over here. Okay. All right. 15K training. Could have got more training off the auction house. CB Rush Platinum Pack. 278 Platinums and a 90s college football player. 5% chance for a 94. No, thank you. Hail Mary Pack. 189 plus B&D. Get cooked, nerd. 89. Of course. Rush Hail Mary B&D Pack. 2 of 4 87 pluses and 1 of 2 89 pluses. Okay. This doesn't seem too bad. This does not seem too bad. Let's see. Just depends on how good the first round is. I think that's a Rivals card. Okay. 93 left guard. I'm pretty sure I already have him. Season 1, we don't like that. We don't like season 1. All right. We'll take those two. That's a slowie. Hold on. No. I mean, look, 293s. It's not too bad. I'm pretty sure, again, I have this guy over here too. Yep. Yep, I do. Okay. So yeah, I ain't done my objectives yet. So we'll definitely do the objectives at some point and get another B&D pack. All right. Another Hail Mary pack. I didn't mind that pack. I didn't mind it. Obviously the 93 was an anomaly in the first round, but maybe it's not. 92, Cam Ward. 91. 89. Second round, be great. Not a big animation. Probably like a 91 maybe. Only a 90. Only an 89, excuse me. Let's see. 17K. And wait, do we have one more? Oh, we get 3 of these. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, these got me kind of hooked. These got me kind of hooked. We haven't pulled anything as of yet out of these, but got me kind of hooked. 89, 88. Okay. So my packs have gotten progressively worse. Lovely for me. 93 Antoine Cason. Again, don't need DBs on the account, but I will definitely take a 93. Okay. All right. And I think we have something over here. This Hail Mary quadruple pack is interesting. 88, a 90 plus legend player, 90 plus college football player, and a 92 overall. So we're guaranteed 2 90s and a 92. I'm going to try one of these. Just one. Just one. I need him to cook. Squirrel right, so we plussed on that one. Did not plus there. Did not plus there. I'm actually going to keep this because I need it for objectives. You know what? YOLO. Let's try the last pack. Last pack magic. And then we'll get into some rolls. 90 Benny. Wow. Wow. I'm keeping this because I need him for objectives. All right. B&D time. Let's see. Let's see. That's a big animation, though. Uh-huh. 94 Jake Galday. Now, I believe this card is actually ass. It's not bad. Zone's a little bit low, but 94 overall. So, let me compare on who we got him to. Compare who we have at that position. Sorry. Longwell. I feel like Longwell's better just because he's faster. He has better block share, but not better finesse move. But his zone is higher. Huh. I don't know, chat. Well, I didn't want to lock him to the... We're going to quick sell him. Quick sell him, right back in. Right back in. Come on. Come on. Season 3. Jack Sawyer at one point made me a lot of coins in Season 3. A lot of coins. Back-to-back Season 3s. McFadden. My running back room is stacked, McFadden, so we don't need you, buddy. But thank you for your contributions. That's a playoff card, right? Great pool. Excellent pool. We have him already. We have him already. All right. That's an excellent pool, but unfortunately, he's already on the team. Would have loved that to be a DeKalen Metcalf or something of that nature, but it wasn't. So, let's keep it going. Let's keep it. Oh my God, not a Heisman hopeful card. Now we're getting cooked. Wasted about almost 300K today. And this is what we're coming out with. Nothing to show for it. Well, hopefully you guys did enjoy. We did get some big pulls. Unfortunately, they didn't help the team. They were either we already had players at their positions or whatnot, or we already had the card, but we came, we saw, we tried to conquer. We did not. Might be one of my last B&D pack openings y'all see because they're just not producing the value that they used to. Rush, Hail Mary, B&D pack. Can we get a Hail Mary answered over here? Hold on. Hail Mary. Bang! Bang! The worst LTD ever. Dang. Why couldn't that have been Deontay Lawson, man? Why couldn't it be Deontay Lawson? The worst LTD ever. He will not be on the team. We'll take our 43K. We will not be putting him on the team. Rush Hail Mary B&D fantasy packs. At least that one coin pack got me one of these packs for free, right? That's the only big W. It's one of those that one pack got me one of these packs. This pack is essentially free. '92 Kendall Carr. Cooked. Absolutely took the 43K there. 2 more. I'm only gonna open up these and then we'll end off on some training rows. We're back to being broke over here. 91, we likes that. Don't like blue. Don't like that. Maybe? These packs have such high hope too, just because of what the percentages are. Like a 94 is 22%. Like you have a good chance of pulling a 94, and it's just like it just doesn't happen. We've opened up. This will be 6. We've opened up without a 94. Cooked. I got to keep him to have the legends. All right, training pack time. We got 3 packs. 3 packs. To be great. That's a big one. I think that was a big one. That was slow, right? Bang! Bang! We already have him. Dang. Free 400 training, though. Free 400 training. At least we pulled a 95 LTD. It was probably the worst LTD. Hold on. Y'all want to know something else? We have a right tackle. Pretty sure we have Ronnie Stanley over here. So again, we're getting pulls, just not in the positions we need. And now we're about to get cooked. Now that we got 2 good pulls in positions that we already had, welcome to the cookout. Okay, we're still cooking. We're kind of on fire. What do I do here, man? I'm trying, chat. And then they give me a blue animation. Of course. Of course. Brian Arakpo. Exactly what I asked for Christmas. The thing is, I already have DK on this account, so DK does me nothing on this account either. We're cooked. Well, we did get good pulls, but unfortunately, just were not the pulls we were looking for. Ass. Oh, but hold on. Chat, I forgot about this. Lockers. I can do it for this guy. I'm not getting a 91 DT. Now, I know these are all B&D, but I want to do it. I have these on my other account as well, and I forgot. We'll open those at a later stage. This could be free training. We get, what, 6? 4. We get 4 89 pluses. Let's see. Let's see. I've heard a lot of people say these are an 89 simulator. But I did see someone pull an LTD out of one of these, so... The only thing good about those packs is now we get to walk it off with a training reroll and let EA destroy us. So, welcome to the cookout, buddy. Sauteed on a barbecue. Bye.